Frank's Red Hot. I put that on everything.
Even on pizza?
Add nachos and wings.
My coworker's lunch?
Yep.
How about on E5?
You betcha.
On the go food?
Totally.
On a burrito?
Definitely.
Do you have a burrito?
No, I don't.
What about on whatever this is?
Of course.
How about on astronaut food?
Affirmative.
How about on astronauts?
Yes, everything. Yum. It's the...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tarrant County Sheriff's Office, the Fort Worth Police Department, and the Fort Worth Fire Department, in coordination with the Texas State Highway Patrol and Texas Department of Transportation. An explosion has occurred at the intersection between Interstate 35 and U.S. Route 287 as a result of a major crash involving a truck carrying hazardous materials. These materials have caused a major explosion and extreme damage has been reported as a result, as well as a major fire. Residents within 10 to 20 miles of the intersection between Interstate 35 are to leave immediately. Residents within 40 to 50 miles of the intersection are to avoid traveling through Interstate 35 and use Highway 281 until further notice. Stay tuned for further information on this situation.